Hello guys, Faith here and welcome back to our channel. So today is August 7, 2020. So again, Metro Manila or even other cities or provinces are under NECQ. Okay, so we had no choice again but to lock ourselves in sa mga bahay-bahay natin to be safe. Okay, so please guys, parents or even children, please stay at home, stay indoors. If you have no important business going outside, please sa loob lang po tayo ng bahay. Para po to sa kaligtasan natin and sa kaligtasan ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Okay, so since we are locked down, nag-isip ako kung ano ba yung mga pwedeng useful content na pwede kong i-share sa inyo. Okay, so para hindi naman ma-aksaya yung oras natin. Okay, so especially now that papalapit na po yung online schooling or distance learning ng mga anak natin. So probably some of the parents or even students, wala pang, yung iba dyan, wala pang maaring desktop or gadget or maybe laptop. Okay, pero meron ng lumang desktop. Okay, or maybe lumang laptop na hindi na ginagamit or probably ayaw natin gamitin kasi sobrang bagal na. Okay, so yun po yung topic natin today. Okay, so I'll be sharing you guys some tips or step-by-step process kung paano natin i-improve yung performance ng ating mga computer. Okay, so I'm on a Windows 10 Pro na desktop but this step-by-step process is somehow applicable also on previous version ni Windows. Okay, so without any further ado guys, switch tayo kay screen. Okay guys, so the first thing that we need to do para mapabilis natin yung pag-boot up ng computer natin is to disable yung mga unnecessary applications sa computer natin to start. Mag-automatic start siya. Okay, so kailangan hindi mangyari yun. Okay, so to go to that tool, put your pointer dito sa taskbar na to and then right click lang natin yan and then select task manager and then dito sa taas may mga several tabs dyan, so select lang natin si startup. So there, so these are some of the applications I manually installed sa aking PC like yung Epic Game Launcher, yung Messenger, Opera browser. So lahat yan in-install ko, ginagamit ko siya pero naka-disable siya sa startup. Okay, so I don't want these applications to run automatically when I boot my PC. Okay, so and on the other hand guys, we can always launch these applications by just simply going to start and then look for their executable shortcut icon nila dito, malo-launch natin sila manually. Okay, so ang laki na kinakain nito sa CPU processor natin and at the same time sa RAM memory. Okay, so to disable, simple lang, for example, itong Microsoft OneDrive na ginagamit ko, so kaya naka-enable siya. Right click lang natin yan and then click or select disable. Okay, on the other hand, kung in the future, kailangan mo na itong, for example, Messenger, kailangan na natin siyang enable sa startup pa lang. You can always go here, and then right-click and then enable. Okay, pero sa ngayon, hindi ko siya kailangan na mag-startup, so disable lang yan. Okay, but anyway, take note guys, like for example, Windows Security, this is very important. So you need to have this program enabled all the time. Para pag on pa lang ni computer, magra-run na yung, protected na yung PC natin from malwares and viruses. Okay, so si Realtek audio, basta may nakita kayong audio dyan, hayaan nyo lang siya naka-enable kasi yan yung sounds ng ating desktop or laptop. Okay, Microsoft OneDrive, I use this application, so this is my backup storage. So, naka-enable lang yan all the time para nagsisync yung mga bagong files or projects na sinesave ko sa aking hard drive. Okay, so second step, switch off visual effects. So, hindi natin kailangan ng visual effects, okay? Especially if we notice na si system natin ay bumabagal na. So, to disable si visual effect, punta ka lang dito sa search, type lang natin dyan yung word na system. Okay, there. Select natin tong system. Okay, and then go to advanced settings. Sa advanced system settings, click natin yan. Okay, and then from here, performance, visual effects, etc. Click lang natin si settings. So, as you can see guys, naka-check lahat ng radio button natin dito. So, we are letting Windows to choose what's best for our PC. Okay, so napakalaking kinakain din na space itong mga visual effect na to. So, yan yung, for example, ito, kung i-close ko itong Windows na to, nakikita nyo parang meron siyang slow motion effect. Ayan, pag nilo-launch or pag ino-open natin siya. Okay, so you do not want that. Okay, especially if you notice na medyo bumabagal na sa PC, malaking tulong na i-disable natin yan. So, having that said guys, ang option na pipiliin natin dito is itong radio button na to. Click natin to, you will notice, uncheck niya lahat. So, adjust for best performance. Okay, and then we just have to click on apply. And then, papansin natin, for example, ito, kung i-minimize ko siya, wala na yung visual effect niya na parang nagfe-fade siya. Okay? So, and then, let's click on OK. Ayan, and then OK. Then, third step, guys, turn off, disk cleanup na tayo. Okay, so, especially if you're on an old desktop or laptop, so, masyado na tayong maraming projects, files na na-dump dyan. Okay, so, yung iba, dinelete na natin or some installed application na na-uninstall na natin, nag-iiwan yan ng dirt or ng mga cache sa ating PC. Okay, so, nagka-clutter yan sa storage na eventually nagkakos ng slow response sa system. Okay, so para tayo makapag-disk clean up, simply go here sa search bar natin and then type disk clean up. Ayan, makikita natin to, disk clean up. Okay, so you will be given option to choose depende yan kung ilan ng drive na naka-install dito sa ating CPU or sa ating laptop. So in my case, let's say I wanted my drive C to clean up. So I'll just click on OK. There. So you just manually check here from the given options kung alin dito ang gusto nating linisin. So, for example, recycle bin. Gusto kong ma-delete na lahat yan. Mga temporary files, gusto ko na i-delete yan. Click lang natin yan lahat and then we click on OK. There. And then delete files. Okay, but on my case, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga nasa recycle bin ko, kaya hindi ko siya i-delete muna. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, next step, guys, is add remove program. So ayan, so especially if we are on a desktop or laptop na masyado na nating matagal na nagagamit. Okay, so napakadami ng application na na-install natin dyan, or maybe may previous user na ang dami ng application na na-install sa PC na hindi na naman natin talaga ginagamit. So i-uninstall natin yan dahil nakakabagal po yan. So to go there, you just click or type add dito sa search bar natin and then select add or remove programs. Yan. So here, sa list sa baba, guys, makikita nyo lahat ng application na saksakan ng dami na naka-install. So probably if you're on an aging or old computer, mas marami ba yan? Okay, so try to check one by one. Alin ba rito ang mga application na hindi nyo na ginagamit or kailangan? So baka meron pa kayong Yahoo Messenger dyan or mga lumang Photoshop or mga games na hindi na natin talaga nilalaro. So uninstall na natin yan. Okay. So, to uninstall, I'll just give you an example or step-by-step procedure. Pero wala tayong i-uninstall dito sa akin kasi ginagamit ko po siya lahat. For example, itong alarm. Ayan. Gusto mo siyang i-uninstall, for example, ito na Adobe Photoshop. Yan. So, i-click lang natin itong uninstall na to and then confirm lang natin ulit. Automatic ma-uninstall na siya. Okay, but if you can notice, guys, there are some applications na by default kasama na siya sa Windows nung in-install natin siya sa ating computer. So, there is no option to have them uninstall. Okay. So, ayan. So, madali lang. So, make sure itong mga may Microsoft Visual C++ na yan, wag po natin tatanggalin kasi mga necessary or talagang requirement na programs yan sa PC natin. So, delikado. Wag natin tanggalin yan. So, mga tanggalin lang natin. For example, ako itong Mozilla. Ginagamit ko siya, pero if on your case, meron naman tayong Microsoft Edge or meron tayong Google Chrome, pwede natin tanggalin yan. Uninstall mo lang yan dyan, and then dire-diretso yan uninstall. Okay? So, that's how you remove all the application from your PC. Okay, next guys is yung transparency. So, mag-open ako ng isang file dito. Ayan. So, as you can see, ito sa background, itong dark part na to, or let's say, gawin na natin yung ito. Ayan, as you can see, as I move, itong browser na to, makikita nyo parang may tagusan yan eh. Pangit na example. Open tayo ng Word. Ayan, itong si Microsoft Word. Ayan, type natin siya dyan, lakihan natin. So, meron siyang somehow na transparency feature na tagusan, makikita mo yung loob. Anyway, to disable that feature, you just go here sa search bar, type transparency. Show transparency in Windows settings. There. So, ito turn, ayan guys, nakikita nyo to. Ayan etong part na to, nakikita natin yung likod, yung may different colors na yan. Ito. Ayan na tagusan siya, diba? So, to turn this feature off, select lang natin to. Off. Ayan, automatic, naka-solid na siya. Which somehow helps para mas ma-consume na lang RAM natin sa mga talagang kailangan gamitin. Okay, yung memory. Hindi naman natin talaga actually kailangan na may transparent tayo na application or toolbar, etc. Okay, so turn off na lang natin yan. Okay, next step guys is check for viruses and malware, which is number one requirement. Okay, on my case guys, I do not really use a third party antivirus or anti-malware kasi may tiwala naman ako kay Windows Defender, especially if you're on Windows 10. Guaranteed or pagkakatiwalaan naman natin si Windows 10. Okay, so although depende sa settings natin, if you configured your Windows Defender or your antivirus application to run automatically on a specific schedule, that's safe. Kaya lang minsan kasi may papasok na malware or virus sa PC natin na hindi rin minsan na-detect niyan. Okay, so to manually run yung ating antivirus, you just go here sa notification area na yan and then click yung Windows Security. There. And then virus and threat protection, click natin yan. And then quick scan. There, mabilis lang naman yung quick scan na yan. Okay, so just to make sure guys na walang virus or malware na umiikot-ikot sa system ng ating PC. Okay, so anyway, we'll just let it run. So let's move forward para mabilis lang tayo matapos there. So nag-notify na siya, no current threats. So my computer is safe. So close na natin siya. Okay, next step guys para mas ma-better natin yung performance ng PC is i-change natin yung power settings. So to go there, you just type from the search bar here the word power. There, natin kung ito nga ba talaga yon, power and sleep settings. And then let's click additional power settings over here. Ayan. Okay, so as you can see, by default nakalagay lang sa balance. Well, for me on my end, since medyo okay, bago-bago pa naman yung computer ko, so medyo okay pa ako na dito sa balance. Okay, so but if you are again on an old desktop or laptop na sa palagay nyo masyado nang mabagal yung kanyang performance, you might want to select this option below. Okay, ito, ayan, see, high performance. Okay, so meron tong disclaimer. Okay, choosing high performance will somehow increase yung consumption ng energy or ng electricity. So if you're the type of person na medyo nagtitipid, okay ka na sa balance. But if you're after performance and you do not bother if there will be a couple of peso that will be added on your electric bill, okay ka lang dyan sa high performance. Okay, para mas mabilis, very noticeably, your system will be maybe 2 or 3 times faster. Okay, but on my end, ayan ko lang sa balance. Okay, close natin to. Okay, next will be performance troubleshooter. Ayan, napaka-importante yan guys. Okay, so sometimes without us knowing, di natin alam may mga problema na pala yung PC natin. Okay. So for you to manually check or for Windows to assist or help us check, let's say for example in my case, let's say yung keyboard ko nagloloko or yung wifi or yung kung ano mga external devices ko na naka-attach nagloloko. Okay, so para ma-troubleshoot yan ni Windows, you just go here on the search bar and then you just type the word trouble. There. Select natin tong si troubleshoot settings. Ayan. Ayan. So, may mga recommendations siya dyan kung ano yung mga gusto nating i-troubleshoot. Let's say you're having issues connecting Bluetooth to your laptop. Select lang natin yan and then run the troubleshooter. Ayan. But on my case, I don't have a Bluetooth USB connected on my desktop kaya wala talaga siyang problem. Ayan. The device does not have a Bluetooth. Okay, cancel lang natin. So, let's say keyboard. I want my keyboard to be troubleshoot. Select lang natin yung wala na yan. Okay, so yeah, troubleshooting is completed. So no changes or updates were necessary. Kasi wala namang issue yung aking keyboard. Okay. So pretty much guys, yun lang naman. So may mga 8 or 9 steps lang yata yung na-discuss natin. But somehow, I hope na makatulong yun sa inyo para ma-improve yung performance ng ating PC. Okay, but if you happen to be on a desktop or laptop which is on previous Windows version, you just use the search functionality here. Meron yan, kahit si Windows 7 merong ganitong search functionality. So you just type here the keyword na diniscuss natin, makikita nyo rin yun doon. Okay, but if there's none, you might want to check in Google or you can always leave a comment down below. And then I'll try my best to respond to your question as quick as possible. Okay? So I hope guys, kahit na medyo maiksi lang tong video tutorial natin, may natulungan tayo. Okay? So just in case you're not yet subscribed here to our channel and you think na helpful naman siya, please do click on the subscribe notification dyan sa ilalim natin, and bell as well para ma-notify ka sa mga upcoming videos natin. Okay? So again guys, thank you for spending time to watch my video. If you find this helpful, you can also share this with your friends, your loved ones, sa palagay nyo magiging beneficial itong discussion natin. Okay? So again guys, stay safe, stay indoors. God bless you all.